For question number 4, you've got to find out the difference and the difference of the differences, okay, in order to spot out whether it's a quadratic or not. But when you do it, make sure that you're doing it consistently. It doesn't matter if you do it left minus right or right minus left, as long as you do it the same way for all the numbers. So what is your choice? You want to do left minus right or right minus left? I would say left minus right, because that would be a big number minus small number, right? So you're like, yeah, what's 37 minus 23? That's 14. 23 minus 13 would be 10. 13 minus 7 would be 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 5 minus 7 would be -2. So so make sure that you know that it is -2. Okay, so don't be inconsistent with the way of your subtraction. So now the first difference is not the same, as you can see right here. That means it's not linear. And then we can go ahead and say, well, what about the difference of the differences? That's 4, right? 14 minus 10 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. 2 minus -2, which is 2 plus 2, it's 4. So then we say, hey, they're all the same. So it is quadratic. And then it says if it is quadratic, then use the axis of symmetry, x equals to 2, to write your equation in vertex form. Can you find a little nugget in the table? What's given to you in the table? Y-intercept, and also because we're writing, you have the vertex, because your axis of symmetry is x equals to 2. So I actually gave you the vertex already. So make sure you say thank you. Okay. And then we say, oh, that's wonderful. So that means, you know, the only thing that's left is my a value, because I know my vertex. And how can I find my a value? Well, you need your x and y. And you have so many x and y to choose from. Just make sure that you choose one of the pair. And you know, there's so many to choose from. You have 5 choices to choose. Which coordinate pair would you choose? You have these to choose from. Which one would you choose? You can choose 1 and 7. Or if I would choose it, I would choose 0 and 13. Because 0 is nice, right? So so I'm going to go ahead and plug in my 0 and 13. Okay, so 0 and 13 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and compute my a value. And we say, oh, yeah, what's the a value here? 0 minus 2 is -2. -2 squared is 4. Okay. And then you subtract 5 on both sides. So you get 8 is equal to 4a. So a is equal to 2. And that would give you the final equation, which is y is equal to 2 x minus x squared. I'm sorry, we have the vertex. X is 2, k is 5, and that will be our vertex form. Okay, so so again, you've got to spot out whether it is quadratic or not, and you only perform the equation writing when it is quadratic. If it's not quadratic, there's nothing you can do.